Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify your Grab account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Grab app on your phone. So if you want to simply verify yourself, all you gotta do is open up your Grab app and make sure you're signed in as well. Now from over here, you have to simply locate to the payment section, where from over here you will be able to simply connect your card. You can even increase cash limit and activate your GrabPay Wallet as well. Now along over here, you're gonna find the option of simply verifying yourself, which will list it right over here. Since for me, I just opened the account and it hasn't even been 24 hours, so it might take a while for that option to be available. But when you have opened it and it is the updated version, you will find that option listed right over here. You simply have to tap on it and provide some legal documents, as it will ask for you to verify. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.